What's good, everyone? Welcome up to Double Up with Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Today I'm going to go over a little review on the multiple income funnel, and I've been a part of the multiple income funnel quite some time. Actually, I just got back into it. I had stepped away for a little bit. I was doing other opportunities, but I had decided to, get back on board with the multiple income funnel. And one of the things that has sparked me up was, some of the different streams that they had implemented, inside of this platform. And actually, I really pretty much use all of them. So, excuse me, I had, definitely, seen a difference once I had got back on board. And this is something very, very, very helpful and useful for people, for online marketers that's trying to build a stream of income, because it takes more incomes to build that leverage. So this is an opportunity where you can have that leverage to build up from just by having all of these different streams of income. So I'm going to just go a little bit over each one, and, hope you like this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel for any more upcoming strategies, tips, and tricks. I could definitely, help you out with that. All right. So here is the multiple income funnel. So you want to ask yourself, what is the multiple income funnel? Well, it is a platform that has 4 different streams of income that's implemented in this funnel. And one stream pretty much goes to another. So that's very, very, very powerful, because, most people need all these different streams of income just to be able to build leverage into their business and reinvest themselves. So the first one is the multiple income funnel itself. Now, it is $49 a month to get started. And if you want to go into the annual, I believe it's about $2.99 if you want to do it for the whole year. But with being in the multiple income funnel, once you join it, you'll be able to make $20 commissions for each sale, with that. So that's very, very powerful. And so this multiple stream income goes to the next one, which is power lead system. Now, that's one of the reasons why I had joined back up with this, because I am a member of the power lead system. And, when I see this update, I was like, wow, this is very helpful, someone to have a capture page, and Power Lead system allows you to have unlimited capture pages and autoresponders to brand yourself within any business that you would like to promote. So that's what the Power Lead system is for, and you could give people the free lead system through that, because with this second stream of income, which is income number 2, people come to this funnel and they get it for free, and they could decide to upgrade. Now, you don't have to join any of these, but you do have to make sure, if you want to have this system be a part of multiple income funnel. And, and unlike most funnels, will cost you a high price, this is a very, very reasonable system to get, a hold to. So that is income stream number 2. Income stream number 3 is text bot AI. So you ask yourself, what is text bot AI? Well, it is a virtual assistant, which is a virtual assistant robot by the name of Ava. That is your automated virtual assistant. And whenever someone shares a phone number, Ava will take those lead prospects that you have that comes into that dials or texts that Ava phone number, and she will follow up with those leads. She will close those leads and do all the selling and telling for you. So that is very, very powerful. That's dealing with SMS marketing. And SMS marketing, studies say that it is a 95 to 98% open rate when someone receives a text message rather than an email message within that's 15 to 20%, you know, with open email. So you do the difference. You see the difference between that. More people, you know, be on their text phones and they check their text messages quicker in the first 90 seconds, quicker than the email messages. So that's very, very powerful using your arsenal. Okay. So income stream number 4 is known as traffic authority. And traffic authority is a traffic generation site where you could purchase traffic and run it through whatever opportunity that you have. So that's very powerful too, because more people need traffic, and this is known as high quality traffic. So if you run and send whatever link that you have, you send it to Traffic Authority. You can check out the prices. In upcoming videos, I go into deep detail with Traffic Authority, and I will make sure that I let you know what it's all about and how you can get started with that. But yeah, this is pretty much very, very hands-on. The owner, which name is Matt Mill, he's a top earner, and he, you know, created this platform, and it's very, very helpful for marketers to be able to earn different ways. And that's the main thing, is to earn different ways. You get different streams of income to build leverage. That's the way it, you know, that you build collateral in your business, is building leverage. You could be able to scale. So yeah, the multiple income funnel, I got back into it. It helps me out tremendously. I've been seeing leads come in. I've been seeing a big difference of results. And you could use this, and like, I recommend you use it with the Power Lead system, so you could be able to, you know, have your own capture page. Even though that the multiple income funnel has their own program autoresponders, but you know, I will recommend that you have a source of branding your own self and building up your own lead capture page, so you could be able to build up your own email list. And that email list belongs to you, so you could be able to send whatever offer to all of your leads that comes inside of your funnel. So that's very, very useful, very, very powerful. So you want to check out all these videos that show you how to do step by step, how to get started. If you would like to get started with me today, make sure you click on the link in the description below, and make sure that you leave a comment if you need any help. I'm also on social media. You could, you know, add me on Facebook if you have any questions or any concerns. I would definitely get in touch with you. And that's pretty much it. So this is the multiple income funnel, Double Up with Astro. I'll see you guys in the next video.